All right, guys. So this client right here, her bottom of her feet has this black wound.
Hey guys, so that is not a wound. That is actually an infection with a virus. It is the human papillomavirus, the same virus that you see that causes warts in the genital area. All right, so how do we treat it? Well, let's talk about how we prevent it. Don't go to places barefoot, public bathrooms, public showers, just anywhere. Wear your socks or your shoes or your slippers. If not, you can catch this, okay? It's highly contagious. You can pass it on to family members, friends, roommates, or anything like that. Now, if you do have it, the soonest you notice it and you start to treat it, the better. If you don't know how to treat it, you do need to see someone who's specialized in it. Once it's gotten this bad, it's going to take a lot of patience, a lot of time, a lot of care and attention to get it treated. So, if you have this, or if you looks like you have something like this, I am going to be in Lagos or Abuja in February. Let me know. Send me a DM. We'll send you the information on how to book an appointment, and we can talk about what you have and how to treat it. Now, not everything that looks like this is a wart. But if it looks just like this one, I can bet my last dollar that it is probably a wart, and that patient is going to need a lot of patience and care. How do we treat it? Some oral medication, topical medication. Sometimes we have to cut it out. Sometimes we actually have to burn it. If you have any questions, send me a DM. Bye.